Morning everyone. So today, new coffee, same pajamas, I look crazy. This milk, this So Good Barista Almond is like the best milk I've tried. I'm actually so obsessed with it. So I'm going to use that. It always spills everywhere. So we're trying a new coffee. Let's go to the little box. Today I need something strong. And I know which one it's going to be. This is what I've got left. This Diavolitto. I'm so bad at pronunciation. It's an 11. So I'm going to tell you about it. So it's high, intense, and powerful. It's a short devil. Intensity 11. Spice notes are spicy and intense. The Stormio had the spicy notes and I hated it. But let's try it. So move that. This is a short pour, so maybe it won't be as intense. That. Oh, the smell of coffee in the morning is like so good. I hope this is good. I really want a good coffee this morning. You know, there's some mornings how it's like you just want a really decent coffee. The spices put me off. Okay. So guys, I always swirl this. Look at that froth. It's like a proper barista's made it. This could be really bad. Oh my god, it's so creamy. Ah. That is like perfection. All right, please no spicy. It's strong. You can taste a little bit of the spice, but it's not as bad because there's not so much coffee. I don't mind it. Is there another really high one? No. I think I would maybe do it just to have a really intense coffee because there's nothing else like it. Or I might make a note that if there's anything without the spices, I'll get that. But yeah, I really like this. If you've tried this or if this is your coffee pot of choice, let me know. I would love to hear from you. But yeah, I like it. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks guys. See you in my next video soon.